Alright, so in this video we're being asked to write the function with the following zeros. So notice here that we are provided 3 zeros of this particular function, right? X equals 2, x equals -2, and x equals 3. Now we know that the zeros are where it crosses the x-axis. So in order to do this problem, you're simply going to work in reverse. Notice that the zeros are already solved for. So essentially what we want to do here is we want to put this back into its factored form, okay, and work in reverse. So for example, where did this come from? Well, this came from x minus 2. Where did this come from? This came from x plus 2. And where did this come from? X minus 3. And again, this would all be equal to 0, right? And if you're solving for the zeros, right, you take each one of these factors, set it equal to 0 and solve, and that's where you get your zeros. Okay? But again, we're working in reverse here. So what we want to do now is simply multiply this out. So I'm going to start with my first 2 factors here. So using FOIL here, you're going to get the following. You're going to get x squared plus 2x minus 2x, and then minus 4. And we can see that these 2 terms here cancel out, and we're simply going to be left with x squared minus 4, okay, and then we have x minus 3. Again, this would all be equal to 0. So now at this point, we can go ahead and use FOIL again. So I'm simply just going to use FOIL on my 2 factors and expand it out. So doing this, we're going to get x to the 3rd power minus 3x squared, okay, minus 4x, okay, and then plus 12. And this would all be equal to 0. So we can write our final answer the following way. F of x equal to x cubed minus 3x squared minus 4x and then plus 12. Okay, so this here is going to be your final answer. Okay, so this is the function with the following zeros. Okay, and that is it.